Tribhuvan University regular exam 2075 bachelor level 4 years program science and technology B.Sc. second year linear algebra first math 201 full marks 75 time 3 hours. New course. In this paper here are two groups. In group A there is given 5 questions. Each question has mark 8 and total marks of group A is 40. And here is given 2 or question in group A. In group B there are given 5 questions. Each question has mark 7 and total marks of group B is 35. In group B here is given 2 or question. New course attempt all questions. Group A. Question number 1. Define linear transformation with an example so that a map f such that R2 tends to R3 be defined by the formula fst equal to 2s plus 3t minus s plus 5t for s minus 3t whole transpose is linear. Also so that the mapping x tends to ax is linear from Rn to Rm where A is an m cross n matrix. Marks 2 plus 3 plus 3. Question number 2. Define determinant with an example. If capital E is an n cross n elementary matrix and if capital A is an n cross n matrix, then prove that determinant of EA equal to determinant E into determinant A. Verify this for A equal to 3 7 5 minus 2 matrix and E equal to matrix 3 0 0 1 by multiplying row by row method in the right side. Marks 1 plus 4 plus 3. Question number 3. Define vector spaces with an example so that the kernel of a linear mapping is a subspace in the domain of that mapping. Let T such that R2 tends to R be a linear map defined by Txy equal to 3x minus 2y. Draw a sketch of the kernel T. Marks 2 plus 3 plus 3. Or question. Define coordinate of a vector with respect to the basis. If beta is a basis, then show that the mapping of x to its coordinate vector xb is linear. Find the coordinate of the vector 1 0 with respect to the basis vector 1 2 and 1 minus 1. Marks 1 plus 4 plus 3. Question number 4. Find all the eigenvalues and at least one eigenvector of the given matrix A. Marks 8. Look carefully. Given matrix. Question number 5. Define orthogonal complement of a set S in an inner product space with an example. Let S equal to minus 1 0 2 2 I minus I in C3. Find S2n dimension of find orthogonal complement of S and dimension of orthogonal matrix S. Marks 2.5 plus 5.5. Or question. Write the formula of Gram-Schmidt process and use it to find the orthogonal basis for the subspace of C3 generated by the vector 1i0 and 1 1 1. Marks 2 plus 6. Group B. Question number 6. What is the difference between row equivalent and reduced row equivalent form of a matrix? Find row equivalent and reduced row equivalent form of a matrix. Given matrix, read carefully. Marks 1 plus 2.5 plus 3.5. Or question. What do you mean by consistent and inconsistent equations? Test the consistency and solve the system of equation by reduced row equivalent form of given equation are x plus y plus z equal to 2, 3x minus 4z equal to minus 7, 2x minus y plus 2z equal to 15. Marks 1 plus 6. Question number 7. Define rank of a matrix with an example so that the rank of an m cross n matrix A cannot be greater than n or m. That is, rank of A less equal minimum of mn. Verify this by taking a matrix. Given matrix, look carefully. Marks 2 plus 2 plus 3. Question number 8. Let L1 and L2 be two lines in Rn described by L1 equal to u plus tb, t belong to R, and L2 equal to set of all w plus sz such that s belong to R, so that these lines are same if and only if u minus w and b are multiple of z. Also so that 2 lines 3 2 minus 5 plus t into 1 minus 3 2 n minus 1 minus 8 2 plus s 4 12 minus 8 described parametrically in R3 are parallel and distinct. Marks 4 plus 3. Question number 9. What is matrix state when two matrices are commutative in the sense of multiplication? Find all 2 cross 2 matrices that commute with the matrix. Given matrix A and B, look carefully. What is Bx if X is given? Marks 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1. Or question. Is commutatively property necessary for the matrix to be inverses of one another? Is this substance as well? If not, state your answer. Find the left inverse of matrix. Look carefully. Given matrix. Marks 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. Question number 10. Find the QR factorization of the given matrix. Matrix is 6 3 1 5. Marks 7. Whole course is of algebra, math 201, and here are also given two groups. In group A, there are given 5 questions. Each question has mark 7 and total marks of group A is 35. Here is given 2 or question in group A. In group B, there are given 10 questions. Each question has mark 4 and total marks of group B is 40. And here are given 4 or questions. Read carefully all questions of group A and group B and answer these question. न्यू कोर्स को विद्यार्थीहरूले ग्रुप ए अन्तर्गत न्यू कोर्स अन्तर्गतको लिनियर अल्जेब्रा म्याथ 201 गर्नुहोला र ओल्ड कोर्सको विद्यार्थीहरूले अल्जेब्रा अन्तर्गतको ओल्ड कोर्स गर्नुहोला। B.Sc. फर्स्ट इयरदेखि फोर्थ इयरसम्मका जुनसुकै विषयको प्रश्नपत्र चाहिएमा वी लर्न टुगेदर 1M को प्लेलिस्ट B.Sc. मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खोज्नुहोला र आफ्नो विषयका प्रश्नपत्र हेरी तयारी राम्रो गरी इक्जाम राम्रोसँग दिनुहोला र वी लर्न टुगेदर 1M अन्तर्गतका सम्पूर्ण भिडियोहरूलाई लाइक, कमेन्ट, सब्सक्राइब र सेयर गर्दै जानुहोला। तपाईका आवश्यकता अनुसारका कमेन्टहरू थप्दै जानुहोला। धन्यवाद।